This is Mike Shelton with Wright Sales Company, and in the next few minutes I'll give you a quick review of the 521 Compressor Saver. The function and mechanics of a hard start are pretty straightforward, but the electrical engineering is complex. So in this short video, I'll just go over the basics of how OEMs wire equipment at the factory, the differences between the main types of aftermarket kits, and then I'll give you a quick idea for selling 521 at the counter. Now, we'll go into a lot more detail when we visit your store, but I'll let you know where to get more information and support in the meantime. Until the mid-1960s, almost every residential air conditioner was shipped with start components. Today, they're usually only factory installed on higher-end equipment. OEM start components consist of a potential relay and a start capacitor. They are wired 3-wire, with the third wire going to T1 or common on the contactor. The potential relay works by reading back EMF or pickup voltage, which is only present across start and common. When the unit is energized, the potential relay sees the pickup voltage and drops the start cap out of circuit only after the compressor is generating back EMF. Of the three main types of aftermarket hard starts, only 521 has the same components wired the same way as factory units. A contractor meeting normally takes about an hour, and we spend a lot of that time discussing how the homeowner benefits and answering technical questions. But at the counter, you only have a minute or two with your customer, not an hour. Doing counter days, I get the contractor's attention with just 2 questions. Do you install hard starts? The answer is almost always yes, I do. And then, when do you install them? Whatever the customer says almost always boils down to when there's a problem. That's when I talk about lowering inrush amps. When you install start components, you'll lower the inrush current by up to half. Now, years ago that wasn't too important, but now smart meters record inrush amperage and use that to help set the rate homeowners pay for electricity. Another benefit of lower inrush amperage is that electrical components such as the run cap and the contactor see far less heat, possibly adding years to equipment life and reducing the need for costly repairs. When a condensing unit is not protected by start components, the run capacitor is exposed to about 100 more volts than line voltage. This is why every summer homeowners pay hundreds of dollars to have run caps replaced. The only job of a run cap is to keep electricity in phase, or at zero crossover. When the run caps are exposed to the high voltage and heat of repeated starts on a hot day, they can quickly weaken, and a weak run cap costs the homeowner money that they're not even aware of. The gap in the scope is the power factor, energy that the unit can't use. It's just wasted. At 18 cents a kW, a run cap that is drawing just 2 amps more than normal is costing the homeowner almost $26 that they shouldn't be paying. And most people are paying more than 18 cents a kW in the middle of summer. Many contractors are used to a 2-wire kickstart. It has the same components as a 521, a potential relay and a start capacitor, and it's about the same price. But that's where the similarity ends, because their product only has 2 wires. It's wired to the start and run terminals on the run cap, creating the possibility of a dead short through the compressor start windings. If anything goes wrong in the start relay, it's just like having a jumper across start and run, sending high volts and amps through the compressor. It's not wired to T1, so it cannot read back EMF. The start capacitor just drops out of circuit whether or not the compressor is started. The 3-wire configuration of the 521, wired the way OEMs do it, protects the compressor. If there's a problem, it'll blow a fuse, but the compressor will be safe, and fuses cost a lot less than compressors. Most importantly, wired this way, the potential relay reads back EMF, and the start cap stays in circuit till the compressor is safely started. The popular PTCR devices, such as SEPCO and Mars, can't read back EMF, so they might not start the compressor, and they're exposed to high volts and amps and are prone to failure. The 521 Compressor Saver delivers an aftermarket solution with the same safety and quality as an OEM part. When a tech offers the 521, they are helping the homeowner reduce power consumption, avoid costly repairs, and prolong the life of their equipment, a great service and benefit to the homeowner. The 521 is perfect for the quality contractor that has a few service trucks and sells planned maintenance agreements. Chances are you have a couple of good customers that would really benefit from having a demonstration at their shop. Just call any of the Right Sales team to schedule a meeting, and you and your customer will have built-in year-round sales. Call us for more information on any of the fine products we represent, and be sure to check us out at rightsales.net.